Hi there, Linda Artesani, Artesani Bookkeeping. So for today's video that goes with the post called My Lawyers Aren't Guilty, it's a little way to get you to kind of come in here and watch the video, a little tongue in cheek. But I wanted to grab your attention because we're already into August and we're looking at, we're into the 8th month of the year. And if you're a solo attorney or a smaller practice and you're trying to do the books yourself, that usually ends up being a little bit of a messy situation. You're doing your work probably after you've spent a day in court or after you've worked in your office all day and you're tired. And it's a time that if you're tired and doing bookkeeping, it's not an optimal situation. Most of the time that's ripe for errors, right? If you are an attorney that worked with trust accounts, you really don't want to have those errors. You want to mitigate that situation because you don't want to, that's not your money, so you don't want to have any mistakes there because you could actually lose your license to practice law. So helpful to have an accountant that will work with you, that can monitor your cash flow, an accountant that can help you chase down any uncollected accounts receivable. So any invoices you have out, if you have a firm that deals with a lot of invoicing, really great to have an accountant that can help you with that. It's also great to work with an accountant and knows the tools of their industry. So we're good at what we do. You're good at what you do. So we work as a partnership. So I have a post in here, a few posts on my workflows. So I have specific apps that I use that would help save time. And we work as a partnership. So work with startups all the time or smaller firms. So I can work as a partnership to help you grow so that I can actually end up doing more for you. That's my long-term goal. I want to help you increase your revenue and have us work more for you to get you the results you're looking for. We work really hard. We love what we do. And it's important to be able to release and delegate some of those tasks that are just not what we went to school for, right? Let us take care of the outsourcing for you so that you can do the work that you like to do. So when I say my lawyers aren't guilty, my lawyers have hired me. We do the work for them. So that's kind of the theme of the whole post. But just wanted to put that out there because I see that I've had a couple of people this past week reach out to me that are attorneys that are smaller practices that, one had someone who they thought was doing the work and they really weren't. So they got their books and they were a mess. And they were a little bit shocked that the work hadn't been kept up to date. That's really where you need to be to see how your business is running. It's even, you're an attorney, it's still a business and you want to know where you're at. So we've got the tools, we've got the reporting in place, we can track things for you. That's what we do. So that's what we do best. So feel free to reach out. I would love to work with you and hopefully you enjoy the post. I kind of floated around the internet and found an article and it's like it really resonated with me this week because I can't believe it's already August. So I hope that's helpful. And if you need us, please call us. Thanks for watching. Bye now.